Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering.
Hi everyone, so now I'm going to show you and tell you what first thing we did before building our chicken coop. So first we bought land. As you can see, it has a lot of trees there. That is the land that we bought. And after that we dig a well. Of course, it's really nice to have a water beside you. And as you can see, it has a wider floor. That is because when we do laundry, we have a lot of space to sit. And of course, after laundry, we can just lay there to sleep for a bit. Just kidding. Anyways, the well are 26 meters deep. That is very deep. So for the next video, I'm going to show you our the tips or how we keep our chickens healthy and how we keep the eggs less soft shell. So that is the water. It's very deep. Thank you for watching.